Hi, this is a quick overview of how to create a chatbot with Ochatbot. Once you've logged into your account, you're in your dashboard. You click Create Tool, and then you can select a chatbot. This chatbot's been already created. The first thing you want to consider is the introductory question or engaging question you're going to have. We call this the default question. Um, it really starts off the conversation by asking a question or selecting things to pick. This area right here is where you can test your bot without making it live yet. You can reset after you make changes quickly and keep on editing and checking the functionality of the bot. Um, there are preset intents, which you can quickly move over to your intent file here. In this case, there are no intents set. Global intents. Global intents allow you to add information that will appear outside of the question or conversation at the time. So for example, if someone's talking and then suddenly they say, hey, what's your phone number? The global intent will pick that up and present that information um, outside of the question or conversation they're having. This works the same way. You can drag your intents over here and set them up. The assistant, this is a quick way of adding question answer type intents. Um, you can branch out with these intents to have branching questions added later, but it's a quick way of getting information in quickly, like your FAQ, for example. Leads and form surveys. These forms and surveys ask information in a conversational way and then send that information to whatever alerts you have set up here, email addresses, or if you're sending up through a Zapier webhook. And they're pulled just like questions. So when you're creating a question or connecting an intent to a question, the lead form or survey will be one of those questions you can select. E-commerce, this is being built out right now. We have connections with Shopify and other e-commerce platforms. Um, settings. Settings allow you to control the look and feel and some of the functionality of the chatbot itself. The size of the window, things like that. On the bottom here, we have variables. So things you're entering all the time, they can just be set up as a variable, so you don't have to retype them, or you can change them globally. Triggers. Triggers allow the bot to trigger at the right time. You can also have questions trigger on a specific page, as well as the whole the chatbot trigger, depending on how the user is engaging with the site. Targeting. This targets specific pages you want the chatbot to show or not show. Again, questions can do the same thing. Alerts. These are the email alerts that goes out for your forms and things. Reporting. There's a number of different pieces of reporting. Fallback report, page engagement report, user responses, survey summaries, and the survey lead response report. The most important one to check all daily or most often is the fallback report. This is going to tell you your errors. When someone asks a question, the bot gets confused, doesn't understand because you haven't programmed it to that point. And then it will tell you that, oh, someone typed in something different or asked a question you weren't expecting, and then you can add a new intent to listen for that particular fallback. Again, if you have any questions, always click support or email us at support@ometrics.com.